Welcome back. In the last video, we covered the concept behind Chihiro. Now we're diving into how the audience actually interacts with it. This is all about the public's interface, the mobile.js script. The most important thing to understand about this app is that it's a chameleon. Yes, basically a chameleon. Because it doesn't have one single interface. Instead, it completely transforms its look and function to match the visual state being shown on the main screen. Let's see how. The brain behind this one single function is called render UI for state. Every time the main experience changes a state, this function erases the old UI and builds a new, specific one from scratch. Let's break it down state by state. In state 1, the waterfall, the goal is to feel like you're part of a constant flow. On your phone, you see a simple instruction, hold down, and a circle to hold down. Your input is a continuous press. When you touch and hold the circle, it glows, giving you instant feedback, and sends an start press signal. When you let go, it sends an end press signal. The visual result is achieved because the server counts how many people are pressing down at the same time. For each person, a new line is added to the waterfall. It's a direct collective input. The more people pressing means a denser, more intensive visual. For state 2, the galaxy, we wanted single actions to have a huge impact. On your phone, you get a large tap button. Your input is a single discrete tap, but there's a crucial piece, a cooldown. After you tap, the button visually recharges for 3 seconds. This prevents the console from exploding and spamming, and makes each tap feel more intentional. In state 3, the vinyl, the audience gets to influence the content of the visual itself. On your phone, the interface becomes a grid of buttons, each with a single word. Did, you, take, etc. Your input is a one-time choice. You select the word that resonates most with you. Once you have chosen, the buttons are disabled to confirm your input has been registered. The visual result is that the system collects all the words chosen by the audience and uses them as the texture for the points that create the spinning vinyl. The audience is literally writing the visual narrative together. Finally, for state 4, the tunnel, we wanted the interaction to feel free and immediate. For your input, you can tap anywhere. When you do, you get a beautiful ripple effect on your phone for instant feedback, while a pulse signal is sent to the server. The visual result is that each pulse from the audience adds a burst of distortion to the tunnel on the main screen. It feels like you are directly touching and effective this massive 3D tunnel. So, as you can see, the mobile app is a dynamic tool that constantly adapts, offering 4 completely different ways to interact. It's all managed by that one central function, render UI for state, which listens for commands from the server and rebuilds the interface instantly. This was a look at the what and why of the user's interaction. In the next video, we'll get technical and explore how you can replicate this system. We'll talk architecture, technologies, and set up the project from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.